Hi, and welcome to my new space. Today I just wanted to make a quick update and introduce you to this exciting new place, which will become my new workshop studio. Can you guess where I am? So I am in one of the cabins of a boat. Yes, it is going to be a floating workshop studio, eventually. For now, it is an extra guest cabin on our sailboat. Converting the cabin into the workshop is not going to happen overnight, of course, but I'm really hopeful it is going to happen one day. I have committed myself now, right? I'm really excited about this project to come to fruition and share every single modification with you along the way. And hey, if you have any suggestions on what this place should look like, maybe something that you have done yourself in the past, that will be really interesting to hear, to see, please let me know. In between the cabin modifications videos, I'm still planning to post some videos on shell collecting, maybe some boat decoration projects, and event videos. There is actually an upcoming event in town that I'm registered for that is happening next week. It is a photo festival. I mentioned about it in my early videos. I hope to record something for you. It should be quite an interesting event. I registered for a couple field workshops, and there will be some vendor exhibitions as well. So if you like to support this channel, you know the drill. Please subscribe, and your feedback would be very much appreciated. Thank you. Until the next time. Kitten, come on in.